Hello friends, today I like to give you one more small tip. If you get something like melamine needed to cut for sizes from let's say for a bookshelf or cabinet, and you got it cut from Home Depot, let's say the strip like this 10 inches or maybe 8 inches. Now the front side or the face side will be nice and smooth, cut from Home Depot, not even 100%. Now, if you have the table saw with the scoring blade, you don't have this problem. You can get nice and smooth cut with the scoring blade, which does the job. If you don't have it like me, I'm using just the small table saw, then the cut underneath the panel will be looks like this. So that's the really chipped, ugly, unfinished cut. Now, if you have a router table with a small router and have a half inch or even quarter inch shank for a straight bit, the straight bit could be only like let's say like this one here. Okay, that's the one example. Maybe quarter inch, which is smaller shank, also the straight one. Okay, you install inside to the router table and to the router, and having ready homemade fence. The fence here was a straight fence which I glued on one side over here, a 1 millimeter or 1/16 thick tape. Now if you put it here, then you will get it like this gap here. This gap here will be cut it off where the underneath chip are coming out of that board. So let me show you how it works. I need to have the dust mask now because it's dusty a little bit. I didn't set up my vacuum with the HEPA filter, and but I have only a couple of boards to finish it like that. So let's see how it will work. Come closer. Okay, so in order to get this, you need to have the panel oversized. Now that was cut off maybe 1/16 oversized. If you have, let's say, 10 inches, you need to have it like 10 and 1/8. Then double of 1/16, it's you will get 10-inch width of the panel. So this is pretty good. If you don't want it anything, you run one more time and you will have it. So compare this cut and compare this one here, which is underneath, shelf is pretty good finishing. So let me finish the other side and have ready all my panels for shelving. You will get a nice result like this is here. Okay, for underneath shelf, like I said, it's pretty good finish. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumb and subscribe. Thank you.